Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to add door access card to iPhone. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So in order to add your door access card to Apple Wallet, you have to follow these steps. First, open the App Store on your iPhone and search for an app called Pass2U Wallet. This app is designed specifically to digitize physical cards and make them accessible directly from your Apple Wallet. It's free, simple to use, and supports a variety of pass types. Once you find the app, tap install, and if you already have it installed, just open the app to get started. When you first open the app, you'll notice a yellow or orange plus sign on the main screen. Tap on it to start adding a new pass. From the options that appear, choose Apply a Pass Template. This allows you to select from predefined templates for different types of cards. To find your door access card template, use the search bar at the top right and type door access. When the template appears, select it. If this is your actual door access card, you can customize all the fields with your card information. This includes things like your card number, access level, or any other relevant details required by your building or office system. Once you've entered all the necessary information, tap Done. The app also gives you the option to add extra fields, which can be useful if you want to include additional details like building codes, floor numbers, or other access-related notes. After finishing your customization, tap Add at top right. Now your door access card is ready to be added to your Apple Wallet. Simply go back to your Apple Wallet and you should see your new door access card stacked neatly alongside your other passes. You can tap on it to view details or quickly present it at a door scanner. One of the advantages of using Apple Wallet is that your digital card can be accessed easily with Face ID, Touch ID, or your device passcode, making it faster and more secure than carrying a physical card. You can also store multiple door access cards for different buildings or offices in the same app and switch between them whenever needed. Another useful tip is to make sure notifications for Wallet are enabled so you can quickly access your card when approaching a door that requires it. And that's it. So that's basically how you can add door access card to iPhone. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.